friends, I'm Koustav and welcome back to Koustav Activities. Today I am going to make a diya for Diwali. So let's start. So I have taken a rectangle paper for doing the origami diya. First, I will take this paper of rectangle shape, here of 15 centimeters and here of 20 centimeters. And now I will give a straight fold over here. Then the same centimeters fold I will give it here. Fold it equally. And here a fold, here a fold, here a fold. Here a fold, here a fold, here a fold, and a fold, like this. Keep on folding unless I come to the end of the paper, and this the last fold. So like this I have to fold it. Now I will fold it half. And then I will take the scissor and cut here a circular shape. Now I will glue here. So here I will take the glue . So I have firmly stick with the glue. Now I will take this yellow triangle paper for the fire of the diya. As you can see, it has the shape of a diya. It needs the fire. So I will take this to make the fire. Like that paper also, first give a equal fold, then that size fold some like this, then like this, and here's the last fold. Now like that paper I will fold it half first. So I first firmly folded half. Now I will glue here. And then I will stick it. And fire is ready. First here I will glue the paper. Now here I will stick it. I have glued in line of paper. Now I will stick it here. Now I will turn to the other side. Now I will glue this spear and stick here. So I have completed my origami Diya making. Thank you.